Taking a full look at weather now, Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca joining us. Hey Dan, a little breezy for me as I went to church earlier today. Had to grab a sweater.
Yeah, a little breezy out there today. Just our normal sea breeze kicking in, although it was a little bit stronger this afternoon than yesterday, and it brought some cooler temperatures in as well. Here's a live look from Carmel tonight. We're taking a look at the sun through some high clouds, and you might also pick out another cool feature of the sky happening. This is known as a sundog. And sundogs occur on either side of the sun, usually parallel with the horizon, and typically occur because of the scattering of light from the sun through the ice crystals in the higher levels of the atmosphere in those clouds. There's all sorts of different types of features like this that can show up, including halos and circumhorizontal arcs and fun stuff like this, but this one's just known as a sundog. So there you go. You spotted one today. You might even see it if you go outside tonight. These high clouds are associated with a weather system that's on its way in. It's going to bring some rain to the region here over the next couple of days, which we certainly need after a couple of very dry months here on the Central Coast. And as we move over the next couple of days, let's get to those temperatures. We'll see right now we're in the 50s and 60s around the bay. Temperatures were cooler than yesterday. We still have some 70s, and one or two places in the south were actually warmer than yesterday. Bradley actually topped out at 84 degrees today. Very warm temperatures, although Salinas was only in the low 70s, and Monterey stayed in the 60s today. So we're going to see these temperatures cool down quite a bit. Gone will be the warmer readings we've seen over the last couple days. Outside of a few high clouds out there, most of the thicker cloud cover is still offshore tonight. And this weather system will be arriving later in the day tomorrow. So let's look at Futurecast. Could see a little bit of fog around the Highway 1 corridor late tonight as those onshore winds start bringing that higher moisture content in. This is 11 p.m. Patchy, low clouds and fog possible around the coast. And then we'll see rapid lifting of the marine layer. So I don't think by tomorrow morning we'll be in fog anymore. Just maybe some low clouds as the clouds actually get a little bit higher. So this is 3 a.m. We're seeing more widespread low clouds out there as our onshore flow strengthens. We get to 7 a.m. and looky here, we got a line of precipitation offshore. This is a frontal boundary which will be making its approach here on the Central Coast. It should be arriving early tomorrow afternoon. That's what I'm thinking right now as far as timing is concerned. Now, along with this precipitation, we will see not too much wind actually. The stronger winds are actually going to come in the following days. So we're talking more like Friday, Saturday with some gusty northwest winds probably. It'll be a little bit breezy tomorrow, but this rain will arrive into the early afternoon. What you can expect is light to moderate rain, and it'll mostly kind of, while the whole system's coming in from the west, the individual showers will actually be moving in from the south as they rotate around a bigger upper level low over to the west of us. Now, some of the mountains may block some of this precipitation from reaching the valley floors, like in the Salinas Valley, for example. And this computer model in particular is a little bit showing a little bit more activity in Santa Cruz County than I think we're going to see. It looks like many of the models are showing this a little bit farther to the south. So Monterey County, especially the Big Sur coast, you're going to be looking at rain on and off really starting tomorrow afternoon, really into tomorrow evening. I think that's going to be the wettest area. And our southern valleys, maybe King City, even to Greenfield, places like that actually should do pretty well with this system. Places like Salinas and Hollister with some mountains to your southwest may not do as well as these showers kind of come in from the south tomorrow. So with that said, I expect on and off light to moderate rain into tomorrow evening as this low scoots by to our south, and then a slow decrease in that activity late tomorrow night into Friday morning. And then as we head into Friday afternoon, a few isolated showers will be possible, and then picking up late Friday night into Saturday, we'll see an additional wave come in, which will bring another chance of some heavier showers potentially. They'll be a little bit more isolated, but could have some stronger downpours with them. So there's a lot going on with this system. You can see some of those stronger showers coming into Saturday morning. So there will be several waves of precipitation. The first, of course, which is arriving tomorrow later in the day. As for your temperatures tomorrow, well, gosh, it's going to be quite a bit cooler out there. We were in the 70s in the Santa Cruz Mountains today. How about 50s? Only 58 in Felton and Scotts Valley tomorrow, 58 in Santa Cruz, 57 in Capitola. Where are my 70s at? People are asking. I wouldn't ask that. That's me putting words in your mouth. 59 in Watsonville tomorrow, 62 Salinas, still finding some 60s in Gilroy and Hollister, but staying in the 50s in Marina. Over to the Monterey Peninsula, we'll see a high of around 60 or so in Monterey with upper 50s in Seaside and Pacific Grove. Pebble Beach a little cooler at 56, and then farther south we'll see highs mainly in the 60s before the precipitation arrives, and then it'll be quite a bit cooler tomorrow night with that rain falling. So over the next 7 days, again, we'll have several little rounds of showers, and they'll linger into Friday morning. I think we'll get a break Friday afternoon before the next round rolls in Friday night into Saturday morning. That Friday night into Saturday morning actually could include an isolated thunderstorm, as there's going to be a little bit of instability moving through. And we'll have to watch late tomorrow night too. There's some potential, some instability moves by to our south. So if you live in southern Monterey County, there's a slight chance of a thunderstorm as well on Thursday or tomorrow evening. All the while, much cooler temperatures will slowly warm up though as we head out of the weekend. Inland areas also seeing a big drop in those temperatures with the system coming through. We'll have showers a little bit more focused in the south tomorrow, and then some wet weather possible late Friday night into Saturday. I initially had Sunday included with shower chances over the last couple of days, but I have taken shower chances out on Sunday. It looks like it's going to stay dry. Veronica?